try again. Yeah. Was yeah, snap again.
Parum pum 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 parum pum 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 mari berlayar.
This is the old AC. Today we're going to replace it.
Well, maybe over the week. Alright, we got instructions, that's good.
There it is. So, what do you got?
Well, I got instructions. A bunch of foam. Got an air conditioning unit. Nope.
How about long?
Huh?
1 foot long. Nothing.
Alright.
Nothing.
Okay.
So I left for a while, and I came back, and the AC is working. What did you do? What kind of magic trick you did?
It's magic, I can't tell you.
Oh! So that's how you do it. That's how you install the Dometic AC.